that? Hi! Hi, looks so beautiful. Mia! Show your hat. Show your crown. Yeah, you got me saying. Ay! Hi, beautiful! She said hi. More. Okay, you, Georgie. Go, George, go! Go! Sige na, go pick up the cute. Sa focus na ako. Agad. Hindi magkaanak. No, Felici. No. Kasabot ka nila dyan, smile. Smile, Ate George! Ate George!
Alright, hello baby Tracey together with her escort Kuya Uno. Hello Kuya, I'm baby Tracey. How are you feeling today? Hot po. You're good. Punta tayo dito sa harap. Gusto niyo ng part ay ng prizes? Ayan, nali kayo dito sa harap ang lahat nyo. Mamaya kayo. Okay, so kung sinabi ni Ate Zenny na the phone is speaking, ang isasagot ninyo ay what shall we do, okay? Practice. The phone is speaking.
I dance a lot, but I don't get no worship. What about you?
Yeah.